What's going on, guys? Tater here at RetroSound.com. It is hotter than a two-pecker billy goat here in Missouri today. Anyway, we're going to do a test drive on this 1971 GMC Jimmy. This thing is beautiful, frame-off restoration. There'll be pics on our website along with a video of the drive video. Should be underneath pics of it, all the pics you need. We try to give as many pics as possible and videos so we don't have to go back and forth on emails and calls and stuff, but you're always welcome to do that. We try to do the best we can to get you all the information. I'm going to roll the window down over here because it's hot. Window goes down good. Fires right up. 350 automatic. It's got the high-tech fuel injection system on it. Battery's going up, charging, showing charge. It's got aftermarket gauges. Oil pressure's up to about 75, 65 amps is charging. The temperature gauge is not up yet, but it won't take long. Fuel gauge works. We'll take it for a little cruise. Goes right in gear. Seems to handle good. This thing is nice. Let's say it's got a 350 automatic in it, power steering, power brakes. It came equipped with AC, and we have all the AC components to put on the motor, but they are not on the motor at this time. Feels good, shifts good. Turn signals, everything works. Second gear. Third gear. Not for sure the gear's in it. I'm sure it's factory. That's pretty good. Looks like a 1971 GMC Jimmy. You know, there was up to 60 miles an hour. Operations rolled about 65. It's not being on the road. It is hot. It's about 95 here. Always remember, check us out at RetroSound.com. Check out all the cool shirts we got. I mean, the brake's pretty good. Doesn't pull right or left. Oh yeah, I can drive this baby. This thing is nice. Turn around, roll some temperature down. It's holding at a little less than 190. Hitting the brakes. Hands off the brakes, not pulling left or right. I'm going to pull in front of this car here. There you go. You know, this thing rides pretty smooth for a lifted. Do a little circle around this guy's driveway here because I know him. This is about 1.5 miles from our shop. He's don't mind if we do a circle drive around, so get off the highway. This thing steers good, rides good. Rides good, man. Yeah. This is a consigner's car. We don't hot rod them. We'll leave that up to you after you buy them. Brakes are working great. Steering's working good. All the gauges are working. Yeah, it feels good. Transmission is good hard. Feels like it might have to get it. I'll get around to about 7 inch. Signal indicators are working. Sharp corner there. It's a little bit, but it's got big tires on it. Anyway, guys, go to resealed.com. Check it out. Check out all our underneath things.